On a bright morning, curious little Jayden visited his Aunt Rose's modern farm, and his eyes grew wide at once. The fields looked tidy, the machines hummed softly, and even the air seemed busy with purpose. "Wow," he cried. "This farm looks different." Aunt Rose smiled. "It is a smart farm, Jayden. Today you will meet some amazing helpers." First came a great green tractor, rolling by with a cheerful growl. "I am the tractor," it said. Jayden stepped back. "You are huge," he whispered. "And strong," replied the tractor. "I pull heavy tools, help plow the soil, and carry things about the farm." Jayden clapped his hands. "So you do the hard jobs first?" Behind it followed a long machine with neat little lines. "I am the seed drill," it said kindly. "I place seeds into the soil in careful rows." Jayden tilted his head. "Why in rows?" The seed drill gave a gentle whir. "Because straight rows help crops grow well and make it easier for the farmer to care for them." Jayden smiled. "That is very clever indeed." Next, a soft spray drifted over the crops like silver mist. "Hello," said the sprinkler system. Jayden laughed as tiny drops tickled his hands. "You are making rain." "In a way," it answered. "I give the plants water so they do not become thirsty on hot days." Jayden nodded. "Plants need drinks too." Then a mighty combine harvester rumbled into view, taller than Jayden had ever imagined. "I am the combine harvester," it boomed proudly. "I can cut the crop, separate the grain, and gather it all at once." Jayden gasped. 3 jobs at the same time? That is magic." The machine chuckled. "Not magic. Good design." By the gate, a sturdy farm truck waited with an open back. "Honky ho! I carry crops from the field to the market," it said. "I help food travel far and wide." Jayden looked solemn for a moment. "So you help feed people all over the place?" The truck beeped happily, as if that was the best praise it could hear. In the warm barn, Jayden met a gentle milking machine beside a calm cow with sleepy eyes. "I collect milk quietly and safely," the machine said. "That helps keep everyone comfortable." The cow gave a contented moo, and Jayden smiled. "You are very kind to her," he said. Suddenly, a tiny shadow zipped across the sky. "Look up," cried Aunt Rose. A farm drone buzzed overhead like a curious bee. "I watch the fields from above," it said. "I can spot problems early and help the farmer know what needs attention." Jayden waved wildly. "You can see the whole farm from the sky." When the tour was over, Jayden stood beside Aunt Rose as the sun tipped gold over the fields. "I learned so much," he said. "The tractor pulls, the seed drill plants, the sprinkler waters, the harvester gathers, the truck carries, the milking machine helps the cows, and the drone watches from the sky." Aunt Rose nodded. "That is right. Modern farms use smart machines to help grow food for everyone." Jayden looked across the happy, busy farm and grinned from ear to ear. "Farms are not just fields," he said. "They are full of amazing helpers." And as he waved goodbye to the tractor, the drone, and every friendly machine, he knew he would never look at a farm in quite the same way again. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.